Hello everybody, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from workanywherenow.com. So today I want to show you 5 tips on how to blog for money for beginners. So if you're a beginner looking to set up a blog and start making money from it, these 5 tips are going to really help you in the long run, okay? And before I do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you find this video valuable, please give me a like, a thumbs up underneath this video. I really appreciate it. It really helps my channel. And if you want, you can also smash that notification button so you don't miss any of my videos in the future, okay? Alright, so so before I start with the 5 tips, I'm going to tell you a little bit about my journey, okay? I started blogging back in September 2016, and thankfully during that time, actually the first time I tried blogging, it was 2011-ish, 2012, around there. And that first time I kind of tried on my own, and it did not work out very well. So I tried other things, and later on when I want to try blogging again, I really wanted help, okay? And after I get help this time, I was really able to make money with my blog. And I have been making money since, actually I've been making money with my blog since the very beginning, because I was able to do a lot of hustling on social media, which actually helps a lot. So, but if you want to get the traffic from the blog, why you want a blog is because you want that free traffic from search engines. And so when you're blogging for money, you need to know how to rank your posts and everything like that. So if you want to learn how to make money from your blog, here are the 5 tips, okay? So number 1, you need to treat your blog like a business. And this is no joke, because a lot of people think about blogging, they think about like just for fun or a hobby or whatever, right? And it's really more than that. And the potential of blogging is actually quite high for high income. And if you have been searching a while about blogging and bloggers, you would see there's tons of people really making good money with it. But there is definitely a strategy to it. And so you need to, first of all, treat it like a business, and so that you can dedicate the time and take it seriously, okay? So that's number 1. And number 2 is you need to be focused on a niche. Do not just blog about anything and whatever, okay? If you want to have a blog for fun, yes, you can do that, okay? You can just blog about whatever you want, but when you're blogging for money, you need to focus on a niche. So what is a niche? It's basically a topic, a specific topic that you want to be earning from, basically. And it could be a topic that you really like, that you're passionate about, and something that you're going to work on for a long time. So don't just pick a niche because it makes money, or you think that it's going to have a lot of income potential, but it's actually easier to work on something that you really like a topic that you really like, because even the researching itself, it will be a lot easier if it's something that you really like, okay? So if you're a cook or want to like cooking, it's either you can do recipes or baking. Like these could be individual niches, though these called sub niches. So if you could just narrow down, and I'm not telling you to just stay narrow, you just need to start narrow and be focused, okay? So that's very important. And so if you do that, you're gonna start able to focus your content better for your audience. And this is why you want that narrowed niche, okay? So for basically it could be a pet, you could do dog niche, but not just dog, okay? You could do like grooming. Grooming is like a good niche that you can start a site on, or a specific how to take care of a specific breed, okay? Or even people have done even just like dog pet strollers as a niche, okay? These are all great individual niches that you can go into. That's how narrow you can go down. So focusing on a niche is very important. And then number 3 tip is that you need to be blogging on a platform that will really help you. Now, I don't know about you, but a lot of blogging platforms that you know of, like blogger.com or wordpress.com, a lot of these places give you free blogs and whatnot, but you know what they don't give you is training. You don't have help on a lot of these blogs, okay, or these platforms. So what I have done is I have actually partnered with a awesome training platform specifically for blogging and specifically for making money. This is how you could really build your blog the correct way, the proper way to make money from it. That is the secret that I actually used when I started again in 2016 to try to make money from my blog. And that is where my success came from. And that platform is Wealthy Affiliate. But please, if you want help, like real help, like my free coaching help, I am a super affiliate on Wealthy Affiliate, and you can see that on the platform when you go on there. So what I'm trying to tell you is that don't just go on Wealthy Affiliate and sign up. Go with my affiliate link, because what's going to happen is that if you sign up with me, I'm going to help you get there and start making money, okay? And so what they have at Wealthy Affiliate, first of all, my affiliate link, of course, is workanywherenow.com, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, TEAM Littlemama, okay? Littlemama is my sign-on nickname on the Wealthy Affiliate platform, so that's where that comes from. So not only there's a community of people on there, so that is my 4th point, by the way. You need help, okay? You're gonna need support. That is point number 4. It's very hard to get all that knowledge by yourself, okay? Not only if you go on the Wealthy Affiliate platform, there's training there to teach you how to step-by-step build your blog the correct way, but you're also going to have questions. So if you have questions on that platform, you can ask. There's many members on there you can ask questions to. So even if you don't sign up with me, let's say, you could go on there, wealthyaffiliate.com, and sign up. That's cool. And go ahead and you can do that. It's okay. But you're not going to get my help in the same way that I'm going to help my referrals, okay? So this is part of how I make money online with my blog. Is I am an affiliate for Wealthy Affiliate, okay? Because they teach affiliate marketing. This is one of the best ways to monetize a blog, is partnering with these affiliate programs. And Wealthy Affiliate not only teaches affiliate marketing, they have their own affiliate marketing program, which is one of the best that I've seen, because I got a free trip out of it, okay? Because I became a super affiliate, I was able to travel to Las Vegas for a private super affiliate conference and got to meet the owners, and I got to hang out with the other super affiliates and really talk about our own online businesses, and it's really awesome. But Wealthy Affiliate just doesn't do that. It teaches you to make money with your blog no matter what topic that you pick, all right? So that's number 4, is the community inside Wealthy Affiliate is very important for support. And so even if you don't sign up with me, I suggest that you just do it anyway, because without support, you're on your own, and it's like really hard to do it. Also on the platform, each member also can help each other with your blog comments as well. Engagement on your blog is a ranking factor, and you really want to get your engagement on your blog, okay? So you will have that as well. And the fifth tip that I have for you is consistency. It's boring, but guess what? You need to be consistent in providing awesome content on your blog, okay? And the way that you're going to provide that awesome content on your blog is by learning how to make the best content that you can make on your blog so that it ranks well, okay? It is not a matter of a few paragraphs and then you're done. There is a lot more to it. There's a strategic way to create your content that ranks on search engines, and then it attracts visitors on its own. So you don't have to always go out there and promote it on social media and everything else. So if you just use the strategy that's taught at Wealthy Affiliate, your blog is going to start attracting its own visitors on its own, just like the way mine does. Like last month, mine got 45,000 visitors on its own, free traffic, no paid traffic at all, okay? So, but consistency in doing, in creating all that content, it is key and especially important when you're not making money. So a lot of people really quit after a few months of blogging because they think that it doesn't work. But if you use the training at Wealthy Affiliate and do it the right way, you will be making money soon enough, okay? This is a business. First of all, if you want to make money blogging, it is not a business where you could make fast money. It's not like that, okay? It takes a lot of hard work and it takes a lot of time, okay? Hard work, time, and basically you're working for free, okay? If you can't do that, meanwhile, while your blog is gaining authority and building it, you could do other things like being like a virtual assistant on like Fiverr.com. You know, you could get hired as a virtual assistant. You could do little odd jobs online like that on Fiverr.com and offer your services. I mean, there's something that you can offer someone, right? That you can do, so you can make money that way on the way of building this blog that you have. But for me, I'm going to tell you right now, it took me 1.5 years to build up all the way to 4-digit income. And that's because I was in a very, very competitive niche. You could build a 4-digit income, monthly income, much faster if you did a less competitive niche. So it just depends on your niche and it depends on a lot of things. But quite frankly, if you really apply the training at Wealthy Affiliate and be really consistent and provide awesome value to your readers, you will get there, okay? You will get there. So I hope these tips have helped you, and I hope you would join me at Wealthy Affiliate. Again, my affiliate link is workanywherenow.com/Littlemama, /Team Littlemama. So please, is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I hope I see you on the platform. And I have a ton of bonuses as well, actually, if you sign up with me. Not only you're gonna get your first month at only $19. You could do the monthly plan, that is. So if you sign up for the monthly plan, your first month will be $19, and then thereafter will be $49 a month. So this includes your site. This includes having your site on there, hosting, includes the training, includes the keyword research tool that's very important, live webinars every week, live chat for help, and so forth. So let's see, what else I was gonna say. Also, there was a monthly plan and then there's a 6-month plan. So if you want to do 6 months, it's actually very smart to do 6 months, because then because this is a long-term gig, okay? And then to save money, you could spend $234 for 6 months, which works out to be about $39 a month. And then lastly, you could also upgrade to or change your plan to an annual plan, and then you could pay $359 for a whole year, and you can that works up to $29.92, something like that. Yes, no, it's exactly $29.92. Who am I kidding? Of course I know my numbers. Anyway, that's the deal with Wealthy Affiliate. So I hope you sign up with me, workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, and I hope I see you on the inside. I also have the other 2 bonuses I have are depending on your niche. I have these extra training series in there on the platform that I can show you that can really cut your learning curve as well. So depending on which niche you go after. So I hope I can help you, and I hope these 5 tips that help you how to blog for money as a beginner. And guys, if you found any value today, please don't forget to like this video. It will really help me and my channel, and I really would love it if you also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos of mine. And of course, subscribe to the channel. You get other tips as well, okay? Thank you.